The goal? To walk on this all the way to the end. But if I stare at the end, I'll never make it. I've got to take each step and focus with each step, and talking in this camera is not helping. But I'll do my best. Now I know when I first started doing this, my adult inclination was to look at the end and not pay attention to each step. Then I remembered at one time I was an athlete, and I'd already figured to focus on each step. And as I'm focusing on talking, I'm screwing up my steps. So this is a nice little metaphor, or a long metaphor, for life and outcomes and goals. And there it is. Coach Tim out. We made it.